What up? Welcome to another video. Started off like this just because my GoPro battery finally committed on a live. So looking into getting a couple replacements for that. Need to find someone to bring them up here because you can't ship lithium batteries. Cool. Going to put next what I got done on the fuel rails. We got Cordell welded them up for us, and we got those installed. We made a couple AN lines, and we ended up getting the fuel pressure regulator mounted. We got the catch can routed without any footage at all. I made a baffle for it while I was on my lunch at work over like 2 days. My cat's fighting my dog right now. Yeah, so up next is some of the footage that I got. Just kind of going to compile it together, and we'll pick up from right there. So, thanks.
All right, y'all. We got the fuel rails sandblasted. We're about to go drop them off with my friend Cordell with the Turbo LS swapped Subaru STI and the C6 Corvette, and he's going to weld up these fittings because I cannot weld aluminum. I really can't weld at all, but I definitely can't weld aluminum. All right, y'all. We had to switch over to the iPhone because the GoPro has one battery and it's dead because I haven't been charging it like a pro. Looking to get some replacements. Seen some good news and good reviews and bad reviews online about non-factory batteries. They don't make batteries for my Hero 8 anymore, and I'm kind of trying to build the car, so I'm not going to buy a GoPro right now. But if anyone has any experience with aftermarket batteries for a GoPro, let me know how it worked out for you. However, we got the God, I can't remember the name of that guy, but it's huge. And so now we're going to use the double nut method. Came in 3 nuts on there. We're going to use a double nut method, and we are going to get those studs out of there because the new plate is way too small and came with its own hardware. So yeah, let's go. All right, guys, got the plate on there. Let's get the extra silicone taken off so it's not on the outside. Getting stuff everywhere. Doesn't look too terrible. Plate number 1, we got the EGR plate that was already on there. Pretty cool. It's also purple. It's pretty dope. We got our plate down there for OMP. Now we have to do the Sub-Zero assist and the split air pipe, which is going down there to absolutely nothing. So yeah, you're next, and then you. And that is all of our block off plates. Oh, besides the BAC. The BAC is on the upper intake manifold. We'll do that one too. Okay, so we have the ACV gone, split air pipe gone, EGR gone, Sub-Zero system gone, OMP gone, and we're getting ready to do the BAC, and that's on the top intake manifold, so I'll whip that out real quick. All right, y'all. So now that we've done our emissions delete, we can actually delete it. So our BAC valve, junk. Our coldest start assist, that was junk from the factory, gone. Our auxiliary air valve, junk. Our split air pipe, junk. Our ACV, just a ton, and I mean ton of vacuum caps that would always come off. You can see the zip tie, and that one's partially coming off. Yeah, junk. the OMP. The OMP was still working as far as I know, but I'll do it myself. So junk. Solenoid rack. Not around here, partner.
Alright, so basically here's what happened. We tried to put this guy on. This guy didn't fit, as you see, by it being ripped in half. And now we're going to try to do a 90, which is real tight, but I can make it work. We're going to do a 45 at the bottom. So we're going to make a new one.
Alright. Can you all spot the catch can line? That's what I thought. Little loop going all the way across behind there, pops out over there, tees off to that fitting there, and that little hose right there. That's where it bundles up at. Dude, it's in sight, but it's out of sight at the same time, dude. I love it. It turned out really well. So now let's do the outlet side. Don't know why I pointed over there. Outlet side, going to the turbo inlet. All right, and now we got in the way. Nice, perfect, good job, Trey. We got line running down. You can see it down there. Still see it right up to there. So we're gonna get some goopy on here and get it nice and sealed up. This is where the factory blow-off valve went, which is over there and about to go in there. Because we want to go. I tried to do a kind of before and after if I can. If I have some kind of pic where it's like this, but you can see I just went through and I redid the connections on that one, routed it down, routed the wideband and the boost controller up and over. It's nice and clean, no just wires spread out and around all disgusting like. Catch can looks good. It kind of just pops down there and then you kind of just forget about it. Yeah, if you're looking at it, you can't really tell. And you can see right there now that I'm looking directly for it, but it looks factory. I like that a lot. So basically, oil catch can is done. The wiring up top that I wanted to take care of was done. We're waiting on some resistors for the fuel injector clips because we're going from high impedance to low impedance. We need to figure out our routing for our coolant hoses. We need to do our fuel filter with lines in and out to the tank again. We need to do our fuel pump. Delete this guy down here. It's our injector resistor box or relay box. I might have just said that wrong. Disregard everything I just said if I put something right here. And that's it for the fuel system. After that, we can put the intake manifold back on. We need to take this guy out. I talked with my friends. We did notice that the AC belt is off, but I've been going this far without it, so I might as well just get rid of it. Get rid of the power steering. All this will get freed up. We can get all that junk out of the way. I'm waiting until we get it fully back together before I just start clipping all of this off the harness. This is all the solenoid stuff that we got rid of, but we still need some of it, so we will keep it for now. That'd be a nice chunk of that gone. Yeah, like I said, all this is going to be gone, and then we're getting close on the front end, guys. I don't have much else prepped for the front end. Maybe some small jobs here or there, but I'm getting very excited about this project, and this thing's gonna be a ripper. It is going to fly when we're done. So, well, I mean, I guess it's flying right now because we're off the ground, baby.